same time, same place, and we'd love to see you next week, for our worship time. Let me thank the choir. Be sure to thank these folks as you're leaving today. If you want to tell them thank you now by, just walking down. Every time I say that, when I say this, clap for me.